All right, this is question 10, last question of WeBWorK 3.4. And we're finding the volume of the solid revolving the region bounded by the curve y equals 5x over 1 plus x squared. And we'll use the shell method, volume of solid region. So we set it up as such. We have integral from 0 to 1 given from the problem. And the shell method is 2 pi times the radius, the shell radius, which is just going to be x, per usual, and the shell height, which is our given curve. So 5x over 1 plus x squared, and that is just dx. All right, so that's going to be equivalent to 2 pi 5x squared over 1 plus x squared dx. Take out our constants, 5 and 2 pi gives us 10 pi. Integral from 0 to 1 over x squared over 1 plus x squared dx. Okay. Now, we can split this up into two integrals as such. If we do 10 pi times the integral 0 to 1 of 1 plus x squared minus 1. So we're adding a 1 and subtracting a 1, making it equivalent. Now, we can split this up into two integrals, and then minus 1 over 1 plus x squared. Perfect. 0 to 1 dx. So let's rewrite that. So we now have 10 pi over 0 to 1 of dx plus, or minus, pardon me, minus 10 pi integral of 0 to 1 of 1 over 1 plus x squared dx, which is just the integral of 10 pi x 0 to 1, which is just 1 minus, and we'll just have this 10 pi on the outside. So 1 minus the integral of this, you should recognize a trig. It should just be inverse tangent. Also from 0 to 1. So it's just going to be 1 because tan of 0 is 0. So plus 0. Okay, it's going to cancel. So we have 10 pi over 1 minus, and tan of 1 is just pi over 4. And now this is just simplification. We can combine these by just doing 4 over 4, which is just 4 minus pi over 4. This is times 10 pi. And then we take that out. Simplifies to 5 over 2. 4 minus pi, which is just equal to 5 over 2. 4 pi minus pi squared. And that is our volume. And the answer to question 10.